Hello and welcome back to the Spanish Pavilion here at the Mobile World Congress 2022 in Barcelona. We're continuing with our co-exhibitor presentations. The next company presenting for us is Insurama, and the title of the presentation is The Digital Insurtech Specialist in Consumer Electronics Protection. Joining me on stage is Miguel Aldalur, Global Chief Sales and Marketing Officer for the company. Welcome.
Welcome, thank you very much.
And whenever you're ready, you can go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Miguel, I'm from Insurama, and we are the digital Insurtech company that are specialized in protecting consumer electronics. The main objective of my presentation is to cover all of these questions that I have around. First of all, I would like to introduce why we were born. We were born because we were very focused on what the sector is, the insurance sector is giving to the customers. We're trying to avoid those bad reputation that we have, and we start to make fair products for the final customer. Another important point is that we're trying to adapt or customize to everything to our distribution. And the third part is very important, is to have that kind of insurance digital clients that are focused on the new way of getting business is another point that we are very focused. Our four pillars and advantages competitive are, the first one is that we have disruptive products. We have different kind of products that we are all developed in digital, and of course having different features that the competence doesn't have. Another important point is that we have an excellent service also for the clients and for the distribution. The third one is that we have an expert talent team that is coming from the insurance, that is coming from retail, that is coming from different important sectors. And the fourth, last but not least, is that we have disruptive technology that allow us to make more easy the way of subscribe, the way to make a claim management. So in this case, technology is one of our pillars to be very, very efficient. We are expanding in different countries. We started in Spain in a B2C and a B2B2C strategy, but then we moved to Portugal, Italy, and nowadays we are focused on Mexico. We want to be expanding by the way of our partners. It's very important that we can operate in all the European Union, so we are ready to be launching in every country regarding the partner that we are going to be. The thing that we evaluate the most is that we look for a profitable business for our partners. That's the way our aim to have an important strategic partner is to have those KPIs. The KPIs that we believe that is more important is to have an important attachment rate, to have an important increase of revenues, and also to have more commissions. And also thinking about the final customers, we believe that, as I mentioned before, the main objective of our company is to have a very fair insurance product. So we are measuring the customer satisfaction in terms of Google My Business to have those rates that we believe are the most important for us. We can cover all of those products. Technological products are being covered with different features that we believe are very, very innovative. Most of companies used to have deductibles. We are using no deductibles in our policies. Also, we can insure used products. So we can be able to insure everything and being looking for a very simple and digital subscription process to be very quick and very comfortable for the distribution. This is our aim, to be customizing our products to our distribution. So we can be managing different premiums for different targets. we can be managing different coverage in different situations. Of course, we can have different payment methods. We can have Amazon or Netflix subscription process, monthly basis, and also annual payments. And also, at the same time, we can have in different omnichannel channels. This is very important, the technology. We can engage very easy to our distribution, because we believe that making it very easy will be the best way to have traction and to have growth. So if we can see an example, we can see how we integrate with an ERP of a retailer. It's very, very easy that in less than 1 minute, we're taking the information from the retailer after selling, for example, a mobile, and we can take all the information, just selecting which are the features or which are the monthly basis payment that you need, or the things that you believe that are relevant in your insurance, and you can insure in less than 1 minute. That for the distribution is very important to have, you know, that kind of indicators that I showed before. Also for the final client, as I said, we have a digital environment that is very important to have all end-to-end strategy for the final customer. For example, for subscribing, you can have everything subscribed in digital. You can have your signature digital. So all the subscription, all the onboarding process is fully digital. We have a business case here, for example, with Santander, that you can see that we manage all the policy in a very simple way. Another important point is that we can ensure, as I mentioned before, the use technology. How we can do that? We have an assessment, and we can do a control or an verification of which are the situations that you have in your product. This is an example of how we are the assessment process with our technology. Again, with this we can ensure this type of products that no one in the market could do. Also, the claim management for us is part of the service, and this is very relevant. And we want to empower the client to have the facility to have traceability of what is happening in the process of the claim. The claim is the moment of the truth. Is where we are changing the game. We want to have those information very, very quick, to have the response very, very quick, because we need to have a satisfaction customer. And final, we are trying always to define the strategy with our partner. How we can do it? We can analyze all the customer journey of the partner to find which are the best moments to make that sales approach to give the solution of adding the service with our insurance. So thank you very much, and this is Insurama, a tailor-made technology.